And I'm really, really excited because I'm no longer like just the younger niece, or here I'm her sister, but at one point we'll be up against each other fighting for one man.
And parang ano ko parang you're a miracle happening, you're an alien sighting.
Taray naman ang miracle happening!
Kasi this is what you do. Do you get a kick out of appearing biglaan sa public like what you did sa MRT, yung pag-shop mo sa 168, there's a video of you shopping in 168. Ano yun? Ano ba yun? Talagang naisipan mo lang, spur of the moment lang na...
Hindi, yun yung mga talagang gusto kong gawin. And, I really think that where you stand in life, if you're a celebrity, if you still want to do things, go for it. Don't let it be a hindrance to being a normal person. Of course, there are things that you have to take certain precautions. Like when I did 168, I went there first na naka-fisherman's hat lang. Hindi nag-work. So, umalis muna ako kunwari. Pagbalik ko, may mask na kaming binili. So, naka-mask na.
So, hindi ka ba natatakot na you might get mugged or...
Hindi naman. Mababait ng mga Pinoy. Nakikinig naman.
But you take all the precautions naman. You go with your buddies or your PAs.
Pag MRT naman, nandun ako sa linis.
So hindi ka ba in-approach ng MRT to be their spokesperson or dahil sa lagi mong gusto nagawa poster ng MRT?
Alam mo yun siguro maging peak ng career ko pag yun ang in-endorse ko. Ambassador ka nga.
Ambassador public transport.
Why not? I'm all for it naman, no? Kasi, diba, it's a fast way to get to anywhere you want to go. No? Kylie Minogue, it got me there in time. For work, it got me there in time. So, na siya.
Nasabi mo andun sa box office awards na mas tanggap mo yung box office screen pero yung award mo dun sa
Na-shock
ka talaga.
Hindi ako prepared, pero I'm just so happy na parang in my career, the things that I wanted to achieve, nag-take off ka na, parang I'm able to cross it off. So I'm just so happy and thankful to God.
I'm sorry, we just have to ask this, but kasabay din ang pagdating ng ang dami-daming blessings sa career mo, there are also rumors that your relationship with Erwan is shaky daw. And I guess we should ask it while Solen is here.
No.
How is the relationship?
No, super not true. I guess, at one point people just, want to write something negative, I guess, but not true. Happy. Super duper happy.
So and how about you kasi your boyfriend, you don't want to give his name kasi aside mo nga, hindi naman showbiz. Pero ano ba yun? Is this your way of saying na ayoko na sa Pinoy? Ayoko na magka-boyfriend ng Pinoy?
Not at all. I had a lot of Filipino boyfriends. Pero, sure, iba, you don't choose who you love. So yun.
Pero hindi pa naman sinasara mo yung ano mo for Filipino to be...
Not at all, for anyone. But I've heard it though. Nobody knows my name.
You still don't want to give his name. Para naman, hindi na lang sinasabing Solen's boyfriend.
Walang boyfriend lang. Pero Maverick, I'm so lame.
Dalawa, since you're both, nasabi nyo na you're both very happy in your relationships, ano yung possibility na we might hear wedding bells in the future? Meron na bang ganung usapan?
Not anytime soon. I think Sauce and I are still very young. So, we're still enjoying our careers, but if the time comes, the time comes.
Kelly, how about you? Ano ba? Hindi ka na talaga babalik sa showbiz? Is it?
Actually, I want, but my priorities have changed now. As you know, I'm engaged. Ako yung kakasal, and it's this year. So I should say na I can't be as busy as I was before. Kasi I really want to devote my time and my energy to this relationship. Kasi diba, alam ko yun But of course, when the time comes na I have guestings, ganyan, and my schedule can accommodate, I'm super open. Like this endorsement, I mean, diba, blessing pa rin. I can't say no pa rin. But at the same time, parang medyo nagkikana na.
Who's the lucky guy nga ulit?
Basta. Nasabi na before eh.
Lalagyan mo na Kelly's fiancé naman.
Kelly's fiancé naman.
Kelly,